Are you looking for the best corner protectors? Baby safety corner protectors and edge guards are a staple of modern baby proofing, helping to reduce head injuries from sharp furniture corners as little ones begin to crawl, stand, and move about. The best products in this category combine durable materials, reliable adhesion, discreet aesthetics, and thoughtful design. For example, a mix of ball-shaped and L-shaped profiles to maximize protection without turning your furniture into a bulky warning sign. In this comparison,
Product number 1. Corner Protector for Baby Calmiotis's 12-pack presents a clear, PVC-based solution with round, spherical guards designed for a discreet look. The manufacturer emphasizes an optimal density to avoid over-soft cushioning that can dent or detach while maintaining a transparent profile that minimizes visual impact on furniture. The installation relies on 3 high-power adhesive pieces, one for each side of a table corner, with a focus on quick, 1-minute application and near-invisible aesthetics. This makes it particularly appealing for homes prioritizing a minimal cosmetic footprint while still needing robust edge protection. In practice, the PVC composition and dense spherical geometry offer consistent protection without the fluffiness of foam-based guards, which can peel or be easily dislodged by determined toddlers. The clear finish helps preserve furniture aesthetics, which is a meaningful differentiator for living spaces where visual harmony matters. Installation is straightforward, but success hinges on surface preparation and allowing full adhesive cure time before subjecting the corner to heavy contact. Customer support is highlighted as responsive, which adds confidence in the product's long-term reliability. This set is well suited for smooth, non-porous surfaces and furniture where a discreet appearance is desired.
Product number 2, 20-pack Corner Protector Baby. YEFEL offers a 20-piece kit with a mix of L-shaped and ball-shaped protectors in a fully transparent profile. The material is PVC, stated as phthalate-free, with upgrades in adhesive meant to ensure strong and lasting attachment across a variety of surfaces, including wood, glass, metal, and plastic. The package emphasizes comprehensive protection for multiple furniture types, including tables, beds, desks, and cabinets, and it highlights ease of removal with a hairdryer to restore the original surface without leaving residue. The dual-shape approach, L-shaped and spherical, provides flexibility to accommodate different corner geometries and edge radii, which is a practical advantage for homes with a mix of furniture. Users praise the simplicity of installation and the ability to remove without damage. However, with 20 pieces, the total coverage is strong for family-sized spaces, but could be excessive for smaller homes. And the long-term adhesive strength may still depend on surface prep. The product's fully transparent design helps maintain an understated look, ideal for minimalist interiors.
Product number 3, Corner Protectors for Baby Wappa Babies 12-pack, features a patent-pending design with a mix of ball-shaped and L-shaped corner guards, designed to deliver improved protection while maintaining a transparent appearance. The kit emphasizes easy installation with extra-wide application surfaces and strong adhesive for long-lasting hold. The product touts its patent status as a trust signal for innovative protection strategies and argues that the combination of shapes reduces the chance of babies removing guards. In real-world use, the dual-shape approach helps accommodate various furniture profiles and edge radii, which is beneficial for homes with rounded corners or complex edge geometries. The transparent PVC blends with most decor, preserving the look of tables, desks, and cabinetry. The wide design can cover larger corners with fewer pieces, though adhesive longevity remains dependent on surface cleanliness and exposure to heat or moisture. Broad compatibility with multiple materials, including wood, glass, metal, plastic, makes it versatile for different rooms, including living spaces and nurseries.
Product number 4, 40-pack Corner Protector. Rindian's 40-piece kit provides a substantial assortment of 2 design shapes, spherical and L-shaped, in a clear acrylic-based guard. The listing emphasizes high-quality acrylic material with rebound cushioning properties and stronger adhesive tape designed to resist peeling by active children. The package targets wide-ranging furniture compatibility, including glass, metal, marble,
plastic, wood, and other materials, with clear guidance on installation, surface cleaning, applying adhesive, holding for 30 seconds, and a 24-hour cure before movement. Real-world use highlights the kit's value for larger homes or households with many corners, such as TV stands, coffee tables, shelves, fireplaces, etc. The dual shape selection expands applicability across varied edge geometries, and the transparent finish helps maintain home aesthetics. The emphasis on longer-lasting adhesion is a practical strength, but as with any adhesive-based product, performance will heavily depend on surface preparation and environmental conditions, such as temperature, humidity. The 40-piece set offers cost per corner efficiency and broader room coverage, which can be a strong buying point for families with multiple rooms.
Product number 5. The 12-pack Soft Corner Protector Baby US Float Wishes offers a 12-piece set of pre-taped rubber foam corner guards in black, designed for quick installation with pre-applied adhesive. The product is built from NBR, nitrile rubber foam, marketed for greater elasticity and softness than silicone-based options. The packaging highlights a versatile application across fireplaces, tables, stairs, and cabinets, with an emphasis on child safety compliance and easy 1-minute installation. In practice, the pre-taped foam approach provides strong tactile cushioning and forgiving impact absorption, which is beneficial for very young children exploring sharp edges. The black color adds a distinctive aesthetic, though it may stand out against lighter furniture. The material's elasticity supports repeated collisions without significant deformation, but foam-based protectors may wear more quickly in high-traffic areas or where heat exposure is a factor. The product's compliance with US and EU safety standards is a plus for parents prioritizing regulatory alignment.